Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can move your Trello board from one workspace to another one quickly and easily. It is super simple, guys. So let me guide you through this step by step so that you can follow my instructions. It is super simple, guys. In the first step, head over to Trello. And as you can see, I am here on that board for the sake of this tutorial. And as you can see in the top left corner, it is part of that workspace here. So to move it, simply select your board, and inside your board overview here, click on these three dots in the top right corner and select settings from that drop-down menu to access your board settings. And all you will need to do, guys, is simply select your current workspace here at the top, left click on it and change it. For example, if you own 2 or more workspaces, you will be given access to them by clicking on that arrow down icon here. Currently, I own only one workspace, as you can see, but it is actually super simple, guys. Simply select the second workspace from that list below, confirm by clicking on change here to move the board to that workspace really quickly. And that's how it works, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we see you next time on our channel.